Hi, Bill Dube here, and what I'm going to be doing today is just quickly going over, hide my face real quick, how to keep in touch with people during the holidays. I find that Christmas cards, I've got it down to a system now. I take all the Christmas cards received and I keep them in an envelope. These are all the ones from last year. And then what I do is I'll have Christmas cards sent, okay? Right there like that. Same type of envelope. And I save the whole Christmas card total so that I know how to address whoever I'm sending off the Christmas card to. A lot of times in the past I used to just save just the return address, and that isn't enough. You have to know how you want to sign your card and everything else. So this is just a simple way to keep track of Christmas. After I've sent off cards to everyone that sent me cards last year, then if I want, I could add people to my Christmas card sent list if I feel like sending off more cards. It's just a quick and easy way to make sure that nobody falls through the cracks, or if they have, to make sure that it's intentional and not unintentional. Have a great day, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.